A line with gradient of -3 passes through the points 3, k and k8. Find the value of k and hence express the equation of the line in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are constants. So our points here are of the line are 3, k8, and we want to find the value of k, and we want to write the equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So now we are given the gradient. We are given the gradient to be -3, and gradient is always represented by m in the equation of a straight line. In the equation of a straight line, and normally the equation of a straight line is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. So now the gradient we are given to be -3, and the line passes through point 3, k and point k8. So we want to find the value over k, the value of k. So we know that the gradient of a line we calculate it by saying that it is the change in the y coordinates over the corresponding change in the x coordinates. So that is, it is the change in the y coordinates over corresponding change in the x coordinates. So how can we calculate the gradient of this given line? So the change in the y coordinate is this is x, y, this is x, y. So the change is 8 in the y coordinate is 8 minus k over the change in the x coordinate, that is k minus 3, k minus 3. So this is the gradient of this given line. So this is going to give us -3. So how can we calculate this equation? We can cross multiply. We cross multiply. So you can say that 8 minus k is equal to negative 3 into k minus 3. 8 minus k is equal to negative 3 times k is negative 3k. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. We can bring this negative k this other side. Negative k here plus 3k. Negative 3k, when we bring it this other side, it becomes positive 3k is equal to 9. We bring 8 this other side. So positive 8 becomes negative 8 this other side. Negative k plus 3k is 2k is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. We can divide by 2 here. We can divide by 2 here. K is equal to 1 over 2. So the value of k is 1 over 2. The value of k is 1 over 2. So now we are asked find the value of k and hence express the equation of the line in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are constants. So we want to express the equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. And we already know that the equation of a straight line is given by this formula: y is equal to mx plus c, and the coordinates which we were given are 3k and k8. So this is a 3k. We have found k to be a half. We have found k to be a half. So in place of k we put a half. So this is a half. We substitute k with a half. So this is the first point. The second point is k and 8. We substitute k with a half and 8. So we can use one point here. We want to use let's use point 3 and a half. You know that this is x, this is y. So let's use that point. So now we can say that y is equal to the given gradient is negative 3. The given gradient is negative 3. So we put negative 3 in place of m, which is gradient. We put negative 3. Then x here plus x here plus c. We want to find the value of c, constant c. So now where there is y we put a half. a half is equal to -3, where this x here we put 3 times 3 plus c. We want to find the value of c. So this is a half is equal to -3 times 3 is -9 plus c. We can bring -9 this other side. A half -9, when it crosses this other side, it becomes +9 plus 9 is equal to c. 9 plus a half is 9.5 is equal to c. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 1 is 19 over 2 is equal to c. So our value for a half is equal to -9 plus c. We can bring -9 this other side, it becomes positive. So this is a half plus +9 is equal to c. C is equal to 9.5. 9 plus a half is 9.5. So 9 times 2 is 18 plus 1, 19, 19 over 2. C is equal to 19 over 2. C is equal to 19 over 2. Now, in this our equation, we can now put the value of c here. We want to remain with x and y. So now we can say that y is equal to mx plus c y is equal to our gradient we are given to be -3, then this is x plus 19, c is 19 over 2. So now we want to put the equation in the form of ax plus by. ax plus by is equal to c. So now we can say that we can bring -3x this other side. We can say that y -3x, when it crosses, it becomes +3x plus 3x is equal to 19 over 2. 19 over 2. We can multiply this side by 2 and this side by 2. So 2 will cancel 2 here. Then you say that this is 2 times y is 2. 2y plus 2 times 3x is 6x is equal to 19. So we want to put the equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So we can say this is 6x plus 2y is equal to 19. 6x plus 2y is equal to 19. So this is the required equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.